Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I really appreciate you watching. Been feeling under the weather here lately, so I do got some content that I had filmed last week. So I've been slacking on making this video, but here we go. All right, you can kind of come right in here. So I'm getting the lower grill back on right now, and they just sit behind here. So I'm gonna do the lower grill and I'm gonna do the upper grill. Let's get started. So I got the upper grill. The one that goes in the middle of the hood. Let's put it on. Dang, it's looking good. Right, putting the old seal back on this thing. Got the motor cover on, guys. So let me know in the comments, should I paint that black? On the past ones I've done in the past, I painted it black and it did look good, or should I leave it all one color just to kind of flow? Let me know what you think. All right guys, I'm gonna put the filler neck on right here with the new cover. Nice. There we go. All right guys, so this is the hood latch, the actual locking mechanism where it's gonna lock to. So I spray painted them all a while back, had them in separate baggies so they wouldn't get scratched. Let's put them on. Other side. let's put this air box on. Colored match, of course. I think it's going to be a pain in the butt, actually. Okay, so I got the intake just kind of chilling. All right, let's get this hose around. So intake can, top. Well, there's two tops. See, I should have been more specific. Put the 9-pound air filter in. Just kidding. There's someone on YouTube that says this weighs 9 pounds. That's a crock of crap. This thing weighs like 2 pounds. Whew! Got it to sit. Literally, I had to back the nut like all the way out to the top of the adjustment screw. And then I had to take a razor blade and go around the outside edges to get all the little bitty bumps off from the Line-X to get the ring to fit. It's kind of a pain, but it's on there. All right, guys, got the snorkel on there. Haven't mounted it up yet, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. Well, I kind of know I'm not, but I might keep part of it if this makes any sense. So I'm either going to cut it about here and then put the mushroom on top, or because of my light rack and the mount and the bar that's gonna come with it, I may have to come up 45 over and 45 up and then put the mushroom over here somewhere. I would rather do that and have it up here and still use everything, because I mean, obviously I like the snorkel, but I know I can't use it in the way it's at and how it's mounted right now. So should I cut it off halfway, or should I 45 it up and put the mushroom over here? Let me know. LED IR light. That's chilling here. I just gave it a little spray paint because it was green. I got on eBay because I cannot stand the round ones with the incandescent bulbs and all that. So eBay came through. Got an LED one. All right, just got the back tailgate on. Yeah. New hardware, of course. Boom. It's going. It is going. All right, got my new LED IR light here. So let's go through here and go ahead and install this thing. Got some electrical lube in there. Well, there we go. All right, now here, there. Now I just need to tighten it down. I guess first is first. Let's see if it works before I tighten it all down.
It's green.
Yeah.
What is the point? Just to look cool?
No. Alright guys, so I got the new buckets for the taillights. Let's rivet these things on. Alright, next bucket. So I'm just installing the rear seat belt right here. All brand new. Just kind of mocking it up so I can know where they go. And I put the bolts back in the correct spot so I know, because there's so many different bolts in this kit. So check this out. All right, so I got the seat belts installed here and the buckles. I use these from these came with it. It's kind of cool. It actually sits down in there. It's a lot different than my old styles were, but it'll keep it at its angle here, which is cool. So, man, this thing looks good in the sun. I love the color because it doesn't change. It still looks gray. One in the past that kind of had like a blue tint to it when it was in the sun, but this one just looks nice and gray. I like it. All right, let's put this headlight in. See, they can still see them. 18, 17, 91. And then we got 17. What is this? Let's see what the other ones say. Let me I gotta wipe them off so I can see it. Okay, got them on. Boom, boom, boom. On to the other side. All right, put these headlight rings in. See if I remember. All right, let's get this headlight in. So, brand new headlight. This is the thing I crimped together. This was off the old headlight and I just cut them off and then put them on the new switch that I have on my other videos. So, what we got here? 91. That one. 17. And Boom. Got the headlight in, got the ring on, everything. You going running, ma'am?
Yes, I am.
Nice. We'll see if it works. I've never tested the other headlights. We only had one. Let's see. Side markers, right? Bam! Hey, hit the high beam. You know what that is on the floor? Push that switch in. On the floor. Floorboard by your foot. Push it.
I don't know what it is.
Here, I'll show you, ma'am. This.
Oh, what? I didn't think that.
Yeah, you hit it hard. Hang on.
Right now?
Yeah.
Is it on?
Yeah. Whoa. All right, you can click it off.
How?
Push it back down again,
I am.
ma'am. Oh. Oh, for real? It is stuck. That's weird. Now it's staying on. Right. All right, check it out. So I got the new headrest in right here. Well, if you like side protector for your noggin. And then got the brand new seat belts in. They're installed. And again, I keep the bolts in place of the old ones, and then I just chuck them when I'm done, because they get trashed up, but which is fine. It comes with all new hardware, and they're really cheap. Seatbelt kits are like 50 bucks for the fronts, but about the same for the rears. So it looks really good too. You get old, nasty, crappy ones, and it's really, really easy to install them actually. It's just a bolt here, right there you put on, and you put this one on right here and there, and then put the buckle on, and that's it. Time to go do the driver's side. I just put the seat mount for the driver's side in, gave it a quick spray paint. Man, that thing looks brand new. Covered up the little fire extinguisher sticker, and the fire extinguisher will go right here. So it's looking so good. It's my favorite part. All right, bust this open. Yeah. Oh, so much better looking. All right. So this one was just the small. This one, the washer. I can't believe it. So we didn't get any spring here in Georgia. It's like blazing hot. And from like cold to this, kind of the norm. Uh-oh. Yeah. Still needs to be able to move. Then this is going to go down here. Yeah. Big washer. These can go in. Alright. This goes in here. That side. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. One thing these seatbelt kits don't come with is, here, let me go grab it and I'll show you. So what this thing didn't come with, it comes with the new buckles, but it doesn't come with these little brackets right here. And the buckle fits down inside of it like this, and it actually, once you bolt it to the truck, it keeps it from falling down all the time. It'll keep it straight up in the air like this. So that goes on there like that. That goes on there like that. This, like that. And it keeps it in one piece. It's kind of cool. You do have to bend the seatbelt buckles in a vise to get them to fit down in these brackets, but this Humvee had these when I bought it. I was like, I was kind of curious of what they were, and sure enough, I know what they are now. Bingo. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really appreciate it. If you like the content on the channel, give it a thumbs up, give it a subscription, and we'll see you next time.